Hi everyone, today I'll talk about how we can use mobile phones and tablets in a safe, fair, and smart way in our English classes. We call this our ethical framework. It helps teachers and students use mobile tools the right way, not just for fun, but for real learning. So our students are aged 16 to 18. Some live in a cities with fast internet, others live in rural areas where technology access is limited. Teachers want students to become better writers, readers, and digital citizens. We use apps like Duolingo, Google Classroom, and YouTube, inside and outside the classroom, to learn language skills, share ideas, and reflect. So there are five principles to use mobile technologies in a right way. So the first is privacy and safety. First, we must protect students' private information. That means only using apps that are safe and have a clear rules about data. And also making sure platforms have strong security. And next is teaching students and families how to keep personal information safe online. So the second principle is fair access for all. Not all students have equal access to technology. So we use apps that work even on slow internet. Also provide offline materials when needed, and also ask schools and communities to help give devices or data to those who need it. So the third principle is honest communication. Next is honesty. So teachers clearly explain why we use each mobile tool, and students are encouraged to share how they feel about technology use. And also, we make rules together with students, parents, and teachers so everyone agrees. And also the fourth principle is being a responsible user. Mobile learning should be done with care. We teach students how to be kind and respectful online. We help them manage screen time. And also, teachers show good examples, and if problems happen, we talk and fix them, not punish right away. And the fifth principle is being inclusiveness and adaptability. So our tools must include everyone. Apps should have features like subtitles or large text for students who need them. Lessons should reflect students' culture and language. So, and also activities should match students' level so no one feels left out. So let's proceed to the implementation plan. Here's how we make this plan work. We give students and parents a simple guide for mobile learning. And also teachers get training on how to use tech well and safely. Students help each other learn how to use apps ethically. And also there's a way to report problems safely. And also a group students and teachers updates the plan every year. So why this matters? Phones and tablets are big part of our students' life. If we want to help them learn, if we want to help them learn, we need to use tools they already know, but we also need to make sure these tools are used in the right way. This plans focuses on five things: privacy, fairness, honesty, responsibility, and inclusiveness. So these values help make sure tech helps not tech tech helps not harms learning. So let's work together, teachers, students, and families, to use mobile learning in a safe and smart way. This is not just about using phones in a class. It's about using them with heart, purpose, and respect. Thank you.